Okay, so when you have the bracket printed, this bracket piece right here will be separate and the body itself will be another part. And so all you're going to do is you're either going to super glue it, screw it in, or hot glue it onto the camera body itself. And you'll take your ZWO ASI 120N and you'll just kind of slide it through, and it doesn't scratch it as long as you use PLA. You can sand down the sides if you would like, but now that you have your bracket for your camera body, you can put a 50mm fan on it, and that cools the sensor and the camera body itself. So if you're doing long exposure astrophotography with this or planetary, it'll basically make your images a lot less noisy.